gentlemen, I am back with another video and a new wig. And guess what? It is Synthetic Saturdays. Yes, she's synthetic. Yes, she's beautiful. Yes, she's bouncy. She's giving you black realness. For Synthetic Saturdays, Sam's Beauty reached out to me and they wanted to send me a wig, and I chose this wig right here. She is a kinky curly wig and she's synthetic, but she's really like a softer texture. Synthetics be getting kinky hair wrong. I don't know who they be consulting about their synthetic hair, but somebody black in this office right here, honey, because this is what we're looking for. SamsBeauty.com is an online beauty supply store. You can buy wigs, you can buy weaves, you can buy nail products, hair products, all types of things, all on that website. Here is the wig that they sent me right here. This is the Sensationnel textured lace wig, the Game Changer in the color number 2, and it is the Kinky 4B 4C hair texture. So this is how she originally comes. She's much longer, but I wanted to make her look like me, and y'all know I love a layered look, and I tried to give her a little bang moment. Now without the bangs, this is what she looks like here. This is the cut at the back. You can get this wig in all types of colors, so make sure you try that out. And you can change the parts as well. Now this wig does not come with a full lace frontal. It is like a 1/2 inch lace part and then like a 1/2 inch of lace up in here. So this cut was a labor of love. Took a minute. I will show you how I did this and then I'll be back. We're going to start off by placing the wig on our head to go ahead and start chopping into the wig and shaping it to the shape that we would like. Now, I actually think I cut it a little bit too short, but I'm taking my time and going through and chopping it and layering the hair so it frames my face. I could have stopped right here, but I kept going. I also went to the back and I chopped the hair to make sure the layer looked uniform from the front to the back. I'm going to cut off the lace here, as we always do on our wigs, and use the L'Oreal Root Touch Up just to cover up the lace and tint it a bit, and that's it. So now that we're back, I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for like a kinky curly sort of wig, it's got really good reviews. It looks very, very natural. And she's only $28, so she's really affordable, especially after these holidays when you done spent all your Christmas money. And yeah, that's it. I will see y'all on Wednesday for Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Okay, I love y'all. Bye.